Good morning students, welcome to online class. In our last class we have learned the story about the Noah today. I hope you all understood the lesson. Today we will learn and discuss some question answer based on this lesson. Some question answers are there. Today we will learn match the words with their correct meanings. There are some words are given here and with their meanings also given here. We have to match them correctly. First one, specification. Specification means a detailed description for designing or making something. The correct meaning of specification is a detailed description for designing or making something. Next word is trembling. Trembling means shaking uncontrollably as from fever or cold. Shaking uncontrollably as from fever or cold. Next word is blueprint. Blueprint means a photocopy in a white or blue paper. Next word is thunder. Thunder means to shout loudly. Next one, permit. Permit means an official document that gives someone the right to do something. Next one, competent. Competent means having the power to decide something. Next word is authority. Authority means the people who organize the people or organization who have the power to make decisions. The meaning of authority is the people or organization who have the power to make decisions. Next word is modified. Modified means the simple meaning of modified is change. Next, impact. Impact meaning the force of an idea. Next, meteorological. Meteorological means concerning the study of weather conditions and the changes. Next, supreme being means God. Mental sanity means healthy mind without any illness. All these are about the words and with their meanings. Now we will go through the some question answers and with their answers. There are some objective type questions are there. The alternative is also given here. In Noah today, the first question is, I am your servant. In this sentence, who is I? There are three options given here. God, Noah, nobody. Here, the correct answer is, I am your servant. In this sentence, who is I means Noah. The correct answer is Noah. What did God tell Noah to build? Three options are given here. Dam, building. Third option is he told him to build an ark. The correct answer is he told him to build an ark. Third question, the time given by God to Noah to build an ark was. How much time was given to the God to Noah? The options are 6 months, 6 minutes, 6 years. The correct answer is 6 months. The person hired by Noah was an astronaut, astrologer, engineer. The correct answer is engineer. The time required to collect all the data was dash years. Options are 20, 10 to 15 years, 10 years. The required to collect all the data was 10 to 15 years. The supreme being in the story is God, Noah, SPCA. Supreme being means here the correct answer is God. Next, there are some questions are there. Whom does the God want to save? He wanted to save a few good people and two of every living thing on this planet. Next question is, who filed a suit against Noah? The answer is SPCA. The full form of SPCA means full form Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. SPCA organization was filed a suit against Noah. Next question is, why did the authorities ask Noah to bring medical certificate? It is to prove his mental sanity. The answer is it is to prove Noah's mental ability. Next question, according to the story, who would destroy the world? According to the story, leaders, bureaucrats and greedy people would destroy the world. Next question, what did God decide to do to the earth and both man and beast? The answer is God decided to create a deluge so that the whole world will be destroyed, and he wanted to save a few people, few good people and two of every living thing on this planet. Next question, what specifications did God give to Noah regarding ark? According to the Bible, God told Noah to build a big ark. There is no special specification mentioned in this story, just they mention a big ark or a big ship. Next question, what were the commands of God? Did Noah obey the orders? He commanded, he means here God commanded Noah to build an ark and collect people and other things to be collected. He had ordered him to prepare the ark in 6 months, only. Next, another question is asked there. Did Noah obey the orders? The answer is no. Noah didn't obey the orders. Next question. After 6 months, when it started raining heavily, was Noah ready with the ark? No. Noah was not ready with the ark. What had happened? What were all the problems that Noah faced in order to get the ark ready? Make a list of all the problems he faced from the various departments. The ark was not ready because Noah had to face lot of problems from competent authority, submitting the plan, environmental department, meteorological department, health department, SPCA and the Equal Opportunities Commission. Next question is, what was the nature of his problem with SPCA and what was the order of the court? SPCA means Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. The organization filed a suit against Noah when he gathered 2 animals of each kind. The court gave a stay order asking Noah not to proceed with his work. Next question is, how did Noah tackle some of the problems he faced? He modified certain specifications. He hired an engineer to redraw the plans. He managed to get the files moved. He brought a medical certificate to prove his mental sanity. Next question. What is the function of the Equal Opportunities Commission and what did the commission ask to do? The Equal Opportunities Commission gave Noah a notice asking him how he proposed to select the people he wanted to save and to give statistical data regarding different sectors of people. He had to collect a data. Next question. What happened when Noah finished telling the story to the Lord? What happened when Noah finished telling the story in front of the Lord? When he finished his story, his means Noah's story, the sky cleared. The sun began to shine and a rainbow arced across the sky. Next question. Why did the Lord smile? When God came to know the problems faced by Noah, he smiled because he understood that leaders, bureaucrats and greedy people would destroy the world. All these are about the question and answers. Thank you.